here are some of the samples for the new videos that are coming out this month. With the recent policy changes, by February 20th, my channel will probably be demonetized along the list with everybody else's. I'm gonna try to get all these videos out in the next month or so. Hopefully, I can get most of these done for different DIYs regarding pet care and stuff that I'm really into and I've been doing for years for training wise that I'd like to pass off to other people, and especially for solving some of the issues with, especially with like pet urine and stuff like that. And maybe hopefully my channel could at least boost to that qualification. I'm just like right under the qualifications to keep my partnership that I've had since 2012, and I've taken like 2 years of too much of a break between videos, because a lot of the videos I was doing before all this type of stuff where I'm just to the camera, talking to the camera, like with the like with the images of talking along with what I'm doing, or with the animals and whatnot. I was doing stuff that was like actual projects with wood that took forever to do, and it takes like a week between each one. And the way YouTube wants everything done now with multiple videos a day, every day, it's just like hard to do because I want to make quality videos, and it's like I've had multiple issues with cameras and recording over the years, and getting back in with a different microphone and trying to get it to work with this Windows 10 PC that I've gotten in December. It's just one of the things. It's like I don't have a lot of money invested into this channel because it's just when you don't make anything from it, it just kind of you just gotta make whatever you have work with what you're trying to do the best that you can. That's what I've been trying to do. And my videos, for some reason, for a lot of them, the comments were turned off. I don't understand why they were when they shouldn't have been. And I keep undoing the comment section area, turning them back on, and then they come back off the other like days later. It's like I don't understand it. It's like, why does YouTube keep turning off my comments whenever I leave them on? So I don't know, man. It's just all we're just seeing now is all the varieties of different things that try to improve people's lives with, like with products and reviewing them for you, and different methods of animal training that I've done and can do and wanted to do for this channel to have other people solve some of their issues I see all the time on pet and animal groups. So if you can, watch a few videos until then, until all these newer ones come out this week, in the next few weeks. Give me a chance to, nice to be able to save my channel, even though I will be still part of the network that I'm with, even though I'll be demonetized and whatnot until I meet that threshold. I'll still be making videos, but it'd be nice to stay partnered, because it does help out for the extra stuff that I'd like to do, have for whenever I'm doing the training DIYs and stuff for my animals, and or to put back into newer stuff for their cages and stuff like that, because I really don't like use this channel personally for like personal gain for myself. It always goes towards something for somebody else with my channel and that sort of thing, to rebuild and keep building.